Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Vasco fuel pipeline closed till further orders, fire under control. Locals from Mangur Hill and Varunapuri demand shifting of the pipeline. State likely to face petrol and diesel shortage. Anna's movement rides high on massive support. Government and Team Anna hint at talks. Venue, time and day of meet yet to be decided. Goans keep backing Anna. Workers' union support Anna demand Lokpal at the national level and Lokayukta at the state level. Trade unions want Prime Minister in Lokpal's ambit. Kalangut Academy coach Vishwas Gaonkar cites lack of preparation time for newly promoted Goa Pro League side. Decision should have come early but will make the best of the situation, says Vishwas. And Vasco Sports Club fight to stay in the I-League alive. We want a logical conclusion with the AIFF regarding our position, says club CEO, ex-naval officer Atul Shah Khan. And now the news in detail. The state government has decided to close the fuel pipeline connecting MPT and Zuari Industries till further orders after its outbreak on Friday. Locals from Mangur Hill and Varunapuri have demanded shifting of the pipeline from the locality. Fire has been brought under control, but the seepage of naphtha into the ground has posed further danger. Meanwhile, the closure of fuel pipeline is likely to lead to a shortage of petrol and diesel supply across the state.
Outbreak of naphtha pipeline in Murgaon Taluka is one of the biggest man-made disaster faced by Goa in recent years. Now state government has started to act. In all-party meeting held on Sunday, government decided to stop the use of naphtha pipeline until further orders.
To suspend operation in this particular pipeline, that is the naphtha pipeline, until further orders. A nodal officer has been appointed to compensate the people for whatever damage that has been there.
This pipeline has caught fire for the second time in past 4 months. On Sunday, finally the fire was brought under control. But at few places, little blaze and smoke was seen. It took enormous efforts of fire personnel to control the blaze. Fire department says naphtha has seeped into soil.
What we have done now, we have purged water from the main place, purged water, so that if there is any residual of naphtha, that will also come out.
But locals here in Daktole, Mangur Hill and Varnapuri are angry. They are demanding stop the use of naphtha pipeline.
Yes, चड डॅमेजीस चड जाल्या म्हणल्यार हांगसर रस्तो ना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रस्तो ना आनी 108 येवंक मेळना हांगा आनी फायर ब्रिगेडूय येना हांगा.
आतां आमकां मागणें आसा आमचें कितें लॉस जालें तें आमकां सरकार आमकां दिवपाचें आनी रावपाक रूम आमकां दिवपाचें घर दिवपाचें. आतां आमकां घर ना रावपाक.
9 persons were burnt in this accident. Injured persons are undergoing treatment in GMC are safe, but some of them have severe burn up to 70%. Affected people have been shifted to a nearby hotel. Now authorities are planning to shift them in colonies built by Goa Rehabilitation Board. Opposition has also expressed anguish over the naphtha fire incident.
हो असो विषय जावची न्ही, अत्यंत केअरलेसपणा. हो इट इज नॉट एन नॅचरल एक्सिडेंट किंवा अशें कांय ना तें. इट इज एन मॅन मेड डिजास्टर.
Meanwhile, the closure of the damaged pipeline is likely to create a shortage of petrol and diesel supply to the petrol pumps throughout the state, as the pipeline is a multi-purpose one for carrying naphtha, diesel and petrol. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Matkaikar, with video journalist Anil Sanadi and Devendra Gaonkar.
Anna's fast has entered the 6th day on Sunday. Although Team Anna and the government have showed inclinations to a discussion, the venue, time and the place for a meet is yet to be decided. Justice Santosh Hegde has reached Delhi to represent Team Anna during discussion. On the other side, Anna's movement is riding high on the massive support across India, overseas and Goa too. Youngsters and India Against Corruption activists held rallies on Sunday in Goa to support Anna.
It's a deadlock between Team Anna and government on Jan Lokpal or Lokpal. Both have agreed for a discussion, but Team Anna is not ready for talks with Kapil Sibal or P. Chidambaram. They are ready for talks with Salman Khurshid. Justice Santosh Hegde will represent Team Anna during talks. Hegde landed in Delhi on Sunday evening. However, the venue and time of this high-profile meeting is not yet decided. Anna has made it clear that although the team is ready for a discussion, it does not mean a compromise on Jan Lokpal. India Against Corruption Parwari unit held a public meeting at Housing Board in Parwari.
The moment you stop giving bribe and I stop accepting and vice versa, then there will be a change, not otherwise. So it starts from you and me.
When we were taught in 5th standard that government is for the people, by the people, and of the people. If you question this today, the answer what you get is government is for the people, of the people, and by the people.
Many youngsters from Congress party took out a rally in Kankon in support of Anna. The rally was organized by the block president of Kankon Congress Committee.
आज हांव काँग्रेसीचो अध्यक्ष जाल्यार 6 वर्सां जालीं आनी 6 वर्सां नंतर हांव खंयूय उबो रावन सांगूंक शकता हांवें अजून भ्रश्टाचार केलो ना आनी म्हाका करचोय नाका आनी म्हाका करचो दिसना आनी कोणूय असो भ्रश्टाचार करतलो हेजे मुखार म्हाजो सदांच ताजेर निशेध आसतलो.
New Market Association, Mufidul Musalman Youth Organization along with other activists, Madgaon and Rai held a rally in Madgaon. They rocked the commercial city with patriotic songs. They marched the streets singing Hum Honge Kamyab. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
On the other side, workers' union have also supported the movement against corruption by Anna Hazare. At a workers' convention held at Margao, trade unions demanded for a strong Lokpal at the national level and Lokayukta at the state level. Trade unions want Prime Minister to be included within the ambit of Lokpal. They have also demanded minimum daily wage of 350 rupees for unskilled workers.
The State Convention of Workers have extended full support to the movement against corruption and demanded for a Lokpal at the national level and Lokayukta at the state level to take action against all corrupt politicians and bureaucrats right from the office of Prime Minister to the office of Sarpanch.
दो कन्वेंशन का 87 and 93 ILO में अभी तक इंडियन गवर्नमेंट हैज नॉट रैटिफाइड दिस कन्वेंशन. ये दोनों कन्वेंशन का अभी तक गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया डिड नॉट रैटिफाई. इट्स अ शेमफुल थिंग. 65 इयर्स होने के बाद भी हमारा देश में ये दोनों कलेक्टिव बार्गेनिंग के लिए और आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाने के लिए क्या है ये अधिकार अभी तक नहीं है. कानून वो बोल रहे हैं वी हैव गॉट इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ.
The other resolutions passed at the conference are immediate passing of Lokpal bill in coming session of Parliament, immediate action against corrupt politicians and bureaucrats, provision of 35 kg food grains at ₹2 per kg for households. Government should stop from further diluting the existing labour law provision in favour of the employers, abolish contract labour in all government departments. Necessary amendment to be carried out to the industrial law to make recognition of trade union compulsory for employer, minimum wage of ₹350 per day for unskilled workmen, opposition to privatization of banks. Our reporter in Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
And it's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.